We will start first with Inline CSS. By comparison, it is the simplest of all CSS. Just like what its name is suggesting, Inline CSS is written directly inside HTML tags. To store those CSS properties, a HTML tag uses a new attribute, style. All your inline CSS codes should be written inside the style attributes. One style attribute can contain several CSS properties. Just remember to put a semicolon between each CSS property. Now let's try inline CSS and style texts wrapped in p tags. The first step is adding the style attribute to the starting p tag. The second step is putting CSS properties and their values into the style attribute. The first two CSS properties we are learning are color and font-weight. The color property controls the text color. You can set its value to color name like red or yellow. If you want a more accurate color, you can use a color code. Software such as Photoshop can get you the color code that you want. The font-weight property controls the font weight. You can set its value to normal, bold, bolder, light, and lighter. By default, all text font weight are set to normal. Now we put the color and font weight into the style attribute. Don't forget the semicolon between them. We can see now it's red and bold. The color and font weight property are the first two CSS properties we have learnt. In the future, you will learn many more of them. Therefore, try your best to memorize all commonly used CSS properties and their values. This can significantly improve your development efficiency. However, storing CSS properties directly inside HTML tags is a double-edged sword. The bright side is the convenience. You want to style a page element? You can just pick the CSS properties and assign them to that page element. Things can't get any simpler. But the downside is that style and contents are all mixed together. Program maintenance, especially with complicated programs, is therefore still difficult. But this does not mean inline CSS is completely useless. You will still be able to use it proficiently.